Hi guys, welcome to another video of SAP EWM basics. In today's class we are going to learn about decentralized EWM. How decentralized EWM going to function. So decentralized EWM, like we are going to have two different servers. One is S4 HANA server, the other one is S4 EWM separate box. So these are the two different servers. So in S4 HANA we have modules, basic modules like MM, SD, PP, QM and FICO, finance and controlling. These are the basic models available in S4 HANA. And in S4 EWM separate box we have only module called EWM. So whenever a client creates a master data like material master, customer master, vendor master, batch master, how to push this master data from S4 HANA system to S4 EWM system. So there is a mechanism called SIF core interface. Through this core interface, we can transfer the data from S4 HANA to EWM system. This is unidirectional, only one-way direction. So if any changes are required in the material master, so you need to do the changes in the S4 HANA system, then again you have to push to EWM system. So SIF means core interface. So we are going to execute this pushing from S4 to EWM through two T codes, CFM1, CFM2 other T codes. Then whatever the transactional data like inbound deliveries, outbound deliveries. So against the PO1's inbound delivery created through QRFC connections, this inbound delivery will be distributed to EWM. QRFC full form is Q remote function calling. So we have SMQ1, SMQ2 T codes. Whenever any delivery gets stuck in between these two servers, we are going to check in these two T codes. We will find out what is the reason. It could be master data issue, configuration issue, that we will find out over here. So this is bidirectional. So the moment we do the goods receipt against inbound delivery, that will be updated back to GR. The same way, outbound delivery GA also will be updated back to S4 HANA system. So this is all about your decentralized EWM basics. So to learn in detail configuration and master data testing, please join to our regular batches. Our next batch is going to start on 27th of Jan. For more details, contact to given phone numbers.